Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and locking the breaker. Do not skip this. Verify 0 voltage with a meter. Once confirmed, wear insulating gloves and eye protection. Remove pump access panel and identify motor leads and earth. Make sure the multimeter is set to continuity or low ohms with fresh batteries. This reduces false readings. Connect one lead to the pump ground lug and the other to the motor casing to confirm baseline continuity before proceeding to internal checks. You now test the windings. Measure resistance across RS, SD, and TR. Compare numbers to the pump datasheet. Small differences are normal, large ones indicate a fault. Next, test each phase to ground. You want very high or infinite resistance, not continuity. Once done, wiggle the terminals and cable while monitoring readings to catch intermittent faults. Make sure connections are clean and tight. Corrosion raises resistance and causes heating under load, so replace bad connectors immediately. You finish by reassembling panels, restoring power, and running the pump while observing current draw and vibration. Record the values. If the breaker trips, performance is poor, or current is high, turn off power and repeat the electrical tests. Then use an insulation tester at 500 V to check leakage. Make sure to compare to manufacturer limits. If insulation resistance or winding resistance is out of spec, replace the motor or power cable. Troubleshooting tip: intermittent continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.